Hi everybody, haven't done a video for a while, but need to do quite a major fix on my Astra, so I thought I'd try and make a video of it. Basically, if we look at my opcom, you'll see I have accelerator pedal incorrect ratio twice, O2 sensor performance bank, and also replace ECU. Now that's what we're going to be trying to do today, is to replace the ECU. I have a new one, same model number and everything, and let's just see how we get on. But first off, you need to deprogram the current one. So you just go into the ECU and reset ECU, put in your code, and OK. Reset completed successfully. Now I have flashing immobilizer and the car won't. Oh, it does start. That's interesting. Let's cycle. Maybe it's because it was on. Right. Yeah. I have nothing. So now that is the ECU deprogrammed. So I'm going to go and quickly, well, try quickly to remove the old one, put the new one in, and then we can get on with the programming of the new one. See you in a bit. Alright, so I'm back. Still light flashing, still doesn't start. Let's see if we can do something about that. Oh, it's looking good. It's talking to it. That's good. See if there's any error codes. Mobilizer function not programmed. Right. How we do that? So, is it in programming? Nope. We'll sort that out in a minute. Let's just get it going first. Alright, so you go back into body, mobilizer. Okay. And programming. Immobilizer programming. Put in your security code. Code accepted. Okay. Right. Program immobilizer function, I believe. So then you have to choose which module you've replaced. So for me, it will be the ECM, engine control module. Do it. See, program successfully. So go back again. Just going to check to make sure that the correct information is in the ECU for the car. I've got it written down. Okay, no programming, variant configuration. Go high bus first. Right, high bus, ECM yes, traction no, ABS yes, electronic power steering is present on mine. You're not present, hello alert, they're all not present, so program that. Glad I checked. Program variant, cruise control, I have it, so I need to turn that on. Close ratio, lever switch enabled, electronic heater not there. Okay, so that one's good, so program that. Tire circumference, group 2, which is what mine is, that's fine. Vehicle identification, that ain't my VIN. Okay, odometer, I can't change that. Right. So let's get the VIN first, make sure that's correct, because it might cause a problem. I know I should have really just tried to get the... Oh, really? Okay. Copy. Ah, it's saying it's a 2010. Ooh, okay. Right, so go back, not too far. I don't think I can change the year of the car, but never mind. On the ECU. So where was it? Engine, yeah. And do that. Programming, vehicle identification. There you go. He is right. Okay. Successfully programmed. Right. Now let's see if it worked. So we'll cycle the engine, cycle the key. And it worked. Nice. So I'm pleased with that. So go back. I'll clear the codes that were on the ECU from it not being programmed. Would help if I was showing you, wouldn't it? But yeah, reason I noticed I had a problem was with the pedal ECU. ECU pedal ratio was wrong. Was every so often it would lose power for like a split second, and then it would come up with the yellow spanner light flashing. Start the car again. Fine, no problem, goes away. Then it does it again, and then every so often it would like go to limp mode. So I tried replacing the pedal, that didn't make a difference. So in the end I had to do the ECU. So I've now done that. Car's working, all well and good. So I will say bye bye for now.